Boys and girls, now we are going to do some fun movement activities. So the first one is twirl like a princess. So we're going to put our arms out wide and we're just going to twirl around. And then let's go the other way. Ready? Nice job. Our second movement is kneel like a knight. So we're going to come down on our knees, one knee up, and we're just going to kneel, bend over, and come up. Let's switch legs. Ready? And kneel. And come up. Great job. All right, go ahead and turn that one off. Boys and girls, our third movement is stand like a tall castle. So we're gonna get down low. Ready? Count to 3 and stand up. 1, 2, 3. Stand up tall. All right, let's do it again. Ready? Come back down. 1, 2, 3. Stand up tall like a castle. Nice. Our fourth and final movement is wave your wand like a wizard. All right, so grab your wand. We're gonna jump our legs out wide, our arms out to the side, and ready? Let's put a magic spell on all who lives in the kingdom, so everybody is happy. Ready? Let's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it work? Let's try it one more time, just in case. All right, so bring your legs back together, and we'll hop our legs apart, our arms up. We got our magic wand. Ready? And turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it worked. I think everybody is happy now. Thanks, guys. Da-da-da. Boys and girls, look what we're going to make today. It's a magic bubble wand. Would you like to know how to make it? Yeah. All right. So what you need is a pipe cleaner, and you can pick whatever color you would like. And you're going to need a cookie cutter. So maybe ask mom or dad if you have a cookie cutter. And it could be any shape. It could be a circle. I have a heart. And then you're going to want some beads, and you can pick whatever color beads you would like. So to start out with, and you may need help from an adult, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it around your cookie cutter to make a shape. So mine's going to look like a heart, just like that. And then you wrap it underneath, okay? And then I'm going to pick some blue beads and my favorite color, green. I'm gonna have a couple green beads. And if you want, you could do a pattern. Maybe you could do a blue and a green, and then a blue and green. Or you could do maybe 2 blue and 2 green, whatever you would like, all right? So I'm going to put a blue bead, and you're gonna have to use your fingers, and you're gonna push it down the pipe cleaner. All right, so you gotta have helper hand holding your pipe cleaner, and then your other hand is holding the bead, and then you're gonna pull it down. And again, we're doing this because it helps us learn to use our fingers and both of our hands together. Look at that. And then I have one more. There we go. And you can keep stringing your beads all the way down, like this one, if you want. Then whenever you get down to the end, you're just going to bend the pipe cleaner over. That way your beads will stay on. And then you're just going to push your cookie cutter out. And look at that. I have a heart magic wand. And with this, you'll need some bubbles. All right. And put some bubble solution in there. And then you just dip your wand. Make sure you get some solution and then blow. Let's see. Maybe. And you can have fun blowing bubbles. Thanks, guys.